I'd like to introduce you to the keyless key smart door lock. Its modern, sleek design and aluminum die-cast enclosure allow for waterproof installations. Here we have RFID card reading area and PIN code. This area here is the touch sensing and also Bluetooth sensing area. Also, it has the mechanical key door lock area. Keyless key allows 5 different ways for you to open your door. 1, RFID card. Another way with Bluetooth using mobile key or remote key. Number 4 is using a PIN code. And number 5, standard mechanical key. Now let me show you how to use the 5 different ways to open your door. One is with the RFID card. Simply touch to wake up the keypad. And using your RFID card, simply touch to wake it up. And standard mechanical key. Insert, lock, and open. Now, how to open the door with your smartphone. First, you need to install the app from the App Store. Mobile Key app. Once it's installed, open up the app. Select device you wish to access. Touch the doorknob and press the door open. Also has 35 to 55 millimeter width for any kind of lock installation. KL100 Smart Door Lock is perfect for do-it-yourself installations for small apartments, condos, and businesses.